scapegoat. It makes sense, Maddie.
It only makes sense because you don't like him. Corey obviously just rolled that credit card again and is trying to weasel his way out of it.
I am not. I didn't do anything wrong.
You did it before. Do you remember online gaming subscription?
That was totally different.
Keith, thank you. This doesn't make any sense.
My son has to do something. Not now. I don't trust him, and I don't want him in this house.
Alright, man. Bentley.
Obviously, we're all living on the edge here. Less variables than
Pissing me off, man.